Hi there, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Roboplus Inverse Kinematic function. Before we begin, let's try to understand what is Inverse Kinematic. We have a robot here, and Inverse Kinematic is helps you to calculate the different angles of the servos, of the joints. So basically, you tell the program where you want the endpoint or the foot to be, let's say here, and it would calculate for you what angle to apply to different joints. The advantage of this is, let's say you have the robot standing up like this, and you want to shift the foot forward and keeping the foot flat on the ground. You can just basically say, I want the foot to be to move forward by X amount, and it will basically calculate all the different joint angles there. So you don't have to worry about keeping the foot flat. Similarly, you can change the Z-axis, so telling the robot, telling the computer how high you want the robot to be. Yep. So if you change the Z-axis, it will change the height like this. And you can also change the theta and stuff. I think that telling you how much you're on side weight like this and back and forth. So normally you would put the center of origin in the middle. You want to have a walking motion. And you can also, in Roboplus, you can also put the center of origin onto one foot, like here. And that way if you change the y-axis, everything surrounds this point here. So this is Inverse Kinematic. Now let's get back to Roboplus. So first of all, I'm just going to load a motion that I want to start off with. I'm going to have a stand-up motion to start off with. So click, load the stand-up motion. So first I will go to the Post Utility tab. And then I will click the post of robot, and I will also select the walking step. Okay, now you have all these values here. Basically, you can just change these values. So, for example, if I want to change the Z value from 3 to something like 15, press enter. See, go down. Okay, I'm going to change it to, let's say, to 25, from 15 to 25. It's going to go down even further. Okay, next I'm going to try this one here. Enter. So you see, it moves to one side. 15 is a bit too much, so I'll try something like 5. So it goes back up. So it's trying to lean to one side, as you can see. This is particularly useful if you want to shift the weight of the robot to one side and then lift the foot for walking motion. Now let's try let's try something like this one here. That is this. So I'm going to change it from 2 to 15, see what happens. Hit the enter. So you can see it. The legs go wider. Let's try this one here. Let me try 15, see what happens. Something happened, but I can't see. Let's try the 25, a bit higher. Okay, so you can see the legs like it shift back and forth like that. So let me try the Y value to see what happens if I change the Y values from -2 to 10. Okay, again, try to shift to one side. Alright, so basically this is what you can do. This is the walking step control point. So let me try to shift the control point to the right foot. And it got some default value. So again, let me try some X, Y, Z, and then these two. I think these two are referring now to the angles of the servo at this point here. So this is the right foot. Okay, so this is a walking motion, as you can see. So put it back to 0. Both foot parallel. Okay, now let's try the Y values to from 0 to 10. So obviously what it's doing is it's now having the right foot as the center and then moving everything else around it. So I'm trying to change the Y now from 0 to 10. So the left foot shift to the Y axis here. Let me change it to minus 20. So lifting it out. As you can see, the ankle also changes to make the foot flat on the ground, which is very useful. So this will be very useful if you want to program the robot to walk on and keeping the foot flat. Okay, so I hope you get the point, and I guess whenever you're ready, you press this and then it will save it to the motion here. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I just figured this out by myself and I just thought I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.